Destination NUR-SULTAN. NUR-SULTAN is a modern capital city on the Esal River and an exciting holiday destination. Sightseeing. For stunning views of the whole city, don't miss a trip up the p.88 Tower. From the top, you can see all the way down NUR-SULTAN Boulevard, or marvel at the blue-domed presidential palace. Walk around the city and see spectacular fountains and beautiful mosques, such as the NUR-SULTAN Mosque. Shop till you drop. For an unforgettable day, visit the Khan Shatir Entertainment Center, which is both a famous landmark and an architectural wonder. It looks like a giant tent. Inside this amazing shopping mall, there are lots of trendy shops. There is even an indoor pool with a sandy beach and palm trees. There is also an outdoor market with traditional yurts. It's a great place to pick up some unique souvenirs. Out and about. For an activity-filled holiday any time of year, NUR-SULTAN has so much to offer. In the summer, you can swim in the river, go for a relaxing stroll along the banks, or take a boat trip to see the sights. Ice skating is also available year-round, both at shopping malls and outdoors.